Hello guys, today we will introduce the main terminal of the fingerprint dual-side gate lock, the best one and 2022. The main terminal of here, the details. So let's go. Hello guys, today let me introduce the terminal, how to plug into the terminal from the PCB board. May you can see here with two same terminal. Here is for the rear panel, here is front panel. So these two terminals they can cross. Here put in here, here put in here. Both are no problem. Both they are workable. They are the same function. So it's no worry to cross plug into here or here. Both are available. Okay. Here is the battery, alkaline battery terminal from here. And the battery is 4 pieces, AA alkaline battery, if you choose battery to work with. Another way, if you want to support external 12 VDC electricity, then be these two cable. One is for the positive and this black one is for GND. So maybe you can DIY by an adapter, or you can choose a power supply access control and input to here, 12 VDC. Okay, 12 VDC, please be noted. And these two, okay, and these two is can connection to the door exit button, something like a square one, just press door exit button. And this two is for the something like the access control. Access control for signal unlock can do video doorbell or other accessories for integrated intercom and signal unlock. Okay. Here, this short cable so is important. If your device work with 2-year smart Wi-Fi, here is the model. It should be in here. So if you just take the basic version, work without the application, here without this model, and please leave this cable, short cable, empty. If work with the TT lock, here without this short cable, so we'll make a low run process. If it's the basic or work with 2-year, there should be this short cable. So if work with 2-year smart Wi-Fi, we plug this short cable to here. If just the basic version, please leave this empty. Do not plug into any of here. Okay, please leave it empty. Okay, here is the anti-stack motor. The second anti-stack generation motor is different from this normal motor. Okay, we're talking about in another video the difference of the anti-stack motor and the normal motor. The difference, the cost difference, the efficiency is different, a little different. Okay, so we can check. There should be. This is we. Leave the extra terminal for other functions, but here is no useful. So you can see this is the motor terminal, and here is the magnetic sensor. It's like this. Maybe we can unlock from here. Okay. Okay, this is magnetic. Actually, front lock is a side part in here for magnetic. Okay, it's like this. So hope you can understand the terminal of the device of this one. The ring gate lock is very convenient, and you can see fingerprint, passport card. That very convenient.